When you want to put your soft top back, you have to store your side and rear windows. But storing them can be a bit of a problem if you don't want them to get scratched up or wrinkled with them just sitting in the cargo area or just even out in the open. Thanks to the Rugged Ridge Window Storage Sport Bar Bag, this can safely store your 0718 JK soft top windows in the back of your Wrangler without worrying about them getting damaged. This is a space-friendly bag that won't take up any room at all in the cargo area, and it straps right to the roll bar so it's up and out of the way. Storing your windows is very simple, so unlike most Jeep parts that we review, I can't really call an install out to this, but it's very easy to roll them up and put them in the back of your Jeep. The storage bag comes with two parts to it. The first part is the interior where the windows are going to be stored. The inside has a soft felt fabric that does a good job at cushioning your windows and preventing them from any scratches. What I really like about this bag is that each window has its own layer of fabric, separating it so there's no window-on-window contact that could also cause scratches on the surface of the windows. Once the windows are rolled up, the cover has heavy-duty nylon straps that roll around the windows and secure them snugly with Velcro. The second piece of the puzzle is the exterior nylon bag. The exterior fabric on the bag is very durable, so it provides some protection from any dust or debris while you're out on the trail and have your top down. The unique feature about this, and what I really like about this bag, is that it's a huge space saver. Not only does it completely roll up so you're not worried about a huge bag that you don't want to fold in the back of your cargo area, but like I mentioned before, this straps to the back of your roll bar with heavy-duty adjustable nylon straps. This keeps your windows secure, protected, and completely out of the way, freeing up a lot of space in your cargo area for other things when you're camping, out on the trail, or just your everyday commute. This is one of the least expensive options for soft top window storage at the moment at right around $90, which is a hell of a lot less expensive than investing in new windows. There is another option on our site that's about $10 less, but it does not come with the option to roll the windows up and secure them on your roll bar. The other options on the site are larger storage bags and rollers that are stored in the back of your cargo area. Those also do a great job at protecting your windows, but if you are looking for a more budget-friendly and space-friendly option, this roll-up storage bag is, in my opinion, definitely worth it. Not to mention, with everything Rugged Ridge, you get a 5-year limited warranty to keep you peace of mind. Like I said before, this is not much of an install, and putting the windows away in this bag is very simple. First, place the window wrap on a large flat surface and fold back all 3 covers. Then you can place the driver's side window face down. Fold over the second protective cover over the first window and repeat for the passenger side. With the third protective cover, position the rear glass on the protective cover. The tailgate bar can remain on the rear window, and the top of the window should be placed towards the nylon straps. Then you can fold the fourth protective cover over. Then you can start at the base and roll the protective cover towards the nylon straps and secure them with the Velcro. Lastly, you can slide the protective wrap in the nylon bag, and if you would like, you can secure the bag to your roll bar. The protective bag will have nylon straps and adjustable buckles so you can wrap them around the base of the roll bar. So if you're looking for a handy storage solution to protect your soft top windows, Rugged Ridge has you covered. This is Meredith with XT, and you can find this and everything else Wrangler right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.